Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to delete Zoom account. If you want to get rid of your Zoom account and all of its databases, then you can simply follow through the steps till the end of the video. Start off by tapping open the Zoom application from your app drawer, and once you launch it open, make sure that you're signed into your account you'd like to delete. After signing in, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right hand corner from the main home page. From your profile page, scroll all the way down until you see the personal data option under personal information. Simply tap on it, and then on the next page, click on delete account. Enter your email address associated with your Zoom account in the text box. After typing in the email, click delete account, and you have successfully scheduled your deletion process. Your account deletion will be completed in 30 days. Click on the close button, and that way you will be able to delete your Zoom account. You may receive an email from Zoom customer support. Simply launch it open and it'll acknowledge you about the receipt of your account deletion. So that is how you can easily delete your Zoom account if you don't want to use it anymore. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.